Have you ever wondered what it takes to rebuild a community after conflict? In many parts of the world, the echoes of war linger long after the fighting stops, leaving scars on both the land and its people. This is where organizations like the Africa Peace and Development Initiative, or AfPID, step in. They're not just providing aid, they're building a future. AfPID's mission is powerful: to foster peace and restore hope in communities shattered by conflict. They focus on the root causes, working tirelessly on peacebuilding and conflict resolution. Imagine former enemies learning to trust each other again, sitting side by side to plan for a shared future. That's the magic of their work. But it doesn't stop there. AfPID empowers communities through sustainable development projects. They help create jobs, improve access to education, and ensure families have enough to eat. They believe that true peace can only be built on a foundation of stability and opportunity. By tackling everything from trauma healing to economic recovery, AfPID isn't just ending conflicts. They're creating lasting peace, one community at a time. Their work is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. To learn more about their incredible impact, check out their website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories of hope.